Hi Pencil2D team. So here is my new xsheet dockable. It's here with a color palette. Looks like yesterday with a yellow sequence of numbers here to represent the camera layer, the vector layer, bitmap layer, and the dialog. Nothing new there. You can load a scene. Let's see what I've got here. I have this one, the good old-fashioned this guy. And if you press here, you see there's a shrub here and a shrub there that follows wherever you are. You can load the dialog. That was this file. Now the dialog is here. And if you press play, it goes along. And this was some of the wishes I had. If a non-layer column is selected, it should shrub. It shows here, but not here. So that's not in effect yet, but the shrub when it's playback is, and it is 100% interchangeable or interactive. If I add a layer, a new bitmap layer, and call it S, it's added here. As you see, with every other thing intact, and you can play it, and you can choose it, and you can delete it, and you can do it all in real time. No problem. What have we got more? Yeah, the visibility. There should be a toggle for visibility. I think it's a little hard to interpret how. So right now I'm doing this that if I don't want a layer, you can. I mean, if it's invisible in the xsheet. That's how it works. It's a quick and dirty solution, but it's a solution that will satisfy you, let's say 90% of the time. If you don't want to see a layer here, why would you like to see it in the xsheet? Well, maybe sometimes you would, but I think it's a good solution for now. Yeah, it's dockable, and then there's the xsheet and saving the xsheet. I thought a lot about it, and the xsheet is in fact the layers. So when you save the PCLX file, you save the xsheet. Because let's say I made a save function, you save the xsheet, and you load it again. The first time you pressed here, the whole thing was updated according to the content of the timeline. This is at all times a picture of what is on the timeline. So it makes no sense to save as a xsheet. What you could save is this layer, the dialog layer, if you make changes. I haven't made it possible to make changes yet, but if I made, then it could be an idea to save, the frame number and a new vowel or sound that you wanted on that particular frame. That was a possibility. But besides that, I think it's fine. If you press let's get a new scene, it's erased and everything is ready here. If I don't want the vector layer, it's gone, and everything works. Almost everything works. If I choose dialog, it moves. But here you can't see that it is red. Only if you with the mouse and with arrows. And I noticed one thing: if you press the arrows here and you go down, it's not following. Maybe I should do that. Then I have to get the entered signal from the widget here. Right now it's shown just a click that it's reacting upon. Click and double click. Because if you double click here, you have a new frame. That was also a suggestion, I think. So you can add new keyframes just by double clicking in the xsheet. Of course not here, that is not changing anything. I think that was all for now. Yes, all this about showing the sound, the audio. Well, I don't think so. I don't think I would like to show the audio here. The dialogue is what should be shown, the thing you are animating from, but the dialogue and in a waveframe, I can just say it as it is. I'm not gonna code it. No way. If somebody else wants, well, maybe do that later. I'm not going to. I don't know how to do it. I've struggled with it at one time when I made another software. And here, I mean, it should be in small images, put into small, what do you call it, boxes in this table widget. It would be a massive time consumer and for no reason, in my opinion. And that's, I say that with 20 years as an active professional animator, I would never use it in the xsheet, never. I would use this, I would use the vowels and the consonants that are right here and nothing else. I would not use audio in where you see the waves here. If it should be here in the timeline, well, maybe. But I'm not gonna integrate it in the xsheet. Okay, I think that was it. Let me hear what you think. Bye.